Okay, we're back here at the landing. We're gonna experiment with our spare pump. How about a 12? A little too small.
No, the gear's got to come off.
Okay, well, it's just gonna pop right off of there. Okay.
There we go.
Yeah, it's keyed into this, so we have to make sure it goes. It's only gonna go in one way.
If it's sitting in there like this, we take this thing off. Is this gonna shift?
It's real tight in there. I don't think it's gonna move. I mean, it might fall out of position
Because these are timed.
Yeah, there's marks on it, isn't there?
These right here are for your how many cylinders there are. Here's your 4-cylinder, here's your 3-cylinder, and here's your 6-cylinder. Set up, boys. Tighter than shit.
Try to oil it. Maybe we can get some oil in there and free it up. It's coming apart.
Seeing if there's a timing mark in there. Oh, it felt like it moved a little.
Didn't move.
No? Not at all?
It didn't.
Tommy.
More heat just doesn't put out enough fire. So I might go pee on it. Should do it. Oh, you know what we're probably going to want to do first is we're going to want to get the bolts off the back of it and then get the pump moving back and forth on that shoulder, so that way when we take the gear off, it'll just slide right out the back, so we don't have to force it. We're gonna have to take all the lines off the injectors. There's probably crush rings on those, right? Yeah. We're gonna design it in a system, not barn. This is the pin. You're going to take this off, flip it around, insert it, and that's going to hold the pump in place so it stays right at top dead center, right on number 1. But this isn't fitting because it's all rotted and swollen.
Oh, is that what that's for?
Yeah, that's how old cars used to go. That's how you did the timing in an old ass car.
Because that might be how we find top dead center.
Yeah.
Basically, that's just once you get it out, nothing will move anyway. Just leave it in there till you get out, and then after that,
it doesn't really matter if it moves.
Okay.
What about the gear, though?
Yeah, what about the gear? How do I keep the gear in place, or does it not move enough to worry about?
Yeah, that should just sit there.
You gonna bring us some firewood today?
Text, are you looking for some firewood logs?
Yeah, because the skidder's fucking acting up, so we can't get anything.
I guess the question is, does this pump, this doesn't make a whole rotation to inject once. I mean, as it makes a whole rotation, that's a whole firing rotation of the engine, I'd imagine.
That will spin one time. Your pump will spin one time for your motor to make. Let's see, your motor has to make 2 revolutions for your pump to make 1, I believe.
Yeah.
Because you got one of your revolutions, your number 1 cylinder's in compression stroke, and then your other one's in
exhale.
Yeah, because otherwise this would be running like faster than the engine.
So yeah, it should be running half the speed. So but like I said, find the lines on your bell housing on your flywheel first, See if there's 1 or 2 lines on there.
Okay. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Yeah, every time this comes up.
It's doing what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get that, leave it right there. Put that pin in, make sure it's perfect, and then go from there.
Put that pin in there. What? I wanted to make fucking firewood and do logging. Probably 10 years. Hey, Ziggy!
You think these lines are any good?
This end looks like it's rotted almost completely shut.
I'm just curious to know what the fuck is going on inside one of these things. That's warm. Don't touch it.
I got gloves. Oh.
Easy. Here she is, boy. So
There's a gasket right there.
there is. Look, right here.
Dude, smell how old that diesel smells.
No, I don't want that. Oh, what's that?
That thing is gross, man.
What's that? And there's the big one.
Oh, so that's why it's concave like that. Dude, I was kind of thinking it'd be something it would drop right into. Yeah. No, it's still stuck. We still haven't found the broken part. I mean, that moves.
I want to know about the umbrella. This has got to come out first. You're like, how?
Yeah, let's take them out.
Well, that's part of the umbrella.
Yeah.
What's that? It's that thing right there is holding it. There's a little pin, like a BB.
Oh, a little dowel or something.
Yeah, you gotta push it, and then that thing slides out.
The only problem was big gloves. You got no dexterity. Trying to unscrew that bolt there with this stupid glove hand. It's my strong hand.